Hello everyone, you're on the Crypto Sellers channel, and in this video tutorial I show you how to set up OKP4 network node on your Ubuntu server. First of all, you should proceed to their official website and introduce yourself about this project. And also, if you will scroll down below, you can see all team members who is working under this project. In this website, you should find the documentation. They are located here. So here is the white paper, just click on it. And you will proceed to the official documentation and you can read everything what is here. So here is the white paper, here is the short information, I'm sorry, not short, here is the full information about the OKP4. So you should read it and you will know much better about this project. So if you would like to install the node and after that launch a validator, proceed here, nodes and validators, and here is all instructions. Here proceed to the installation, and here is the setup. Here is two ways to set up your OKP4 node on your Ubuntu server. It is the first type, it is the first way is Docker and the second way is building from the source. I will choose build from the source. Actually, here is also instruction how to build from the Docker. It is up to you. I will do it from the source. To do it, we should rent a server, or probably you can install it on your own server if you have, of course. I recommend to use the Webtropia, and please never use virtual or cloud VPS servers, because you will get a ban. This is official information from their support, but if you will use the dedicated server, it will be no any problems. Actually, you can rent Intel i5 server or Ryzen 5 server. All relevant links about the dedicated server, official documentation, and other documentation which I will use in this tutorial you can find below under this video in the subscription. Okay, so we have the server. It's look like this. This is absolutely clean Ubuntu, and right now we should update it. For the short update, I will use my private guide in my GitHub. So I will just copy and paste some commands to update and install all important dependencies to my server. Let's install the Golang Go. I have here latest version. Just copy and paste. And this one. Okay, I have the latest version of Go version here. It is 1.19.4. Now proceed to the official guide and let's install a node. Okay, right now I am inside the folder. If I will update it here, I can see that the folder is download. The next step is make install. Okay, looks like it's installed. Let's check the version. Should be the latest version where 3.00. Yep, it is correct version. Okay, let's go to the next page. We should init our node. So here is some comments that we should to do. So I see that we should input the variables. Okay, let's do it. Just copy and paste. And here moniker, so mic node tor. Actually, I will copy this one and put my name here. So my name is Pavel. So it will be like this. All right. And run this command. Let's see. Enter. Yep, it's works. So now I initialize my node. If I will update the main folder in the root, I can see that here is created new folder .okp4d. Inside this folder it will be located the data, all blockchain information, and all information about your validator in the config file. Okay. The next step, we should do some configuration, the config toml, and we need to download a new Genesis file. So here is the link. So join testnet or join mainnet. Currently is testnet. So let's open the testnet link. Here will be located the Genesis JSON. So just copy link address, and go out from the CD. Go out from the OKP4D folder. Let's go to the root and just do like this widget, insert the link, press enter, and we will download the Genesis JSON. Update it. I see it here. Now this the new Genesis JSON we should transfer from the root to the config file. So it will be like this. Just do move. Okay, I will do first of all ls-lay, and after that move Genesis JSON from here. Genesis JSON to the folder .okp4d config. Yep. It disappeared from here, and right now it should be here. Yeah, it's here right now. Okay, what next? The next step, we should install some peers to our node. Without the peers, we cannot connect to the network, and our node cannot start synchronization process. Let's check. Do we have some peers here? Here is the page not found. So in this case, probably this is the mistake. I don't know. So in this case I should proceed to their official Discord server, and here in the search just insert peer or peers, and let's try to find some peers here, because here is the validators who run their RPC separate nodes, and they share their peers in publicity. Okay, so I see here some peers. The first, let's copy it, and after that you should go to the root .okp4d config and open config toml file. Open this config toml file, go down, and you need to find persistent peers, and inside these quotes just insert the new peers. It will be like this. After that I will do the comma and insert one or two peer just in case. Okay, this one. Okay, here is mine. I will also insert this peer. Let's see how it's going to work. Okay, I think it's enough. So I will try to launch my node with two peers, and we will see how it's going on. So just we'll do like this. Save. Yes to all. Okay, let's go to the official documentation. For this moment, I think everything is correct. So right now we can start our OKP4D node. But first of all, I will create a systemd server. I will have something like the example, so I will use this one, and I will configure it right now. Okay, let's open the new notepad, past. Okay, so actually, if you don't know how to create your own systemd service, you can rewrite everything from the screen what I have here. So, and it should work for you. It will be OKP4D service. Okay, the description. Okay, I will do a space, user root, extract. So we have the binary, so I will use like this, which OKP4 always install UF. Okay, right now copy and paste in our terminal, and let's do like this. Systemic to call. And let's check logs to be sure that everything is worked correctly. Here is some error. Yeah, I forgot something in my systemd file, so I will correct it a little bit. Here should be start. Yes, so this is the correct systemd file right now. And I need correct it inside the my systemd file, so I will first of all need to stop my node. After that I will do like this. And I need open this systemd service through the reductor. OKP4 restart. Here start. Yeah. Now do like this. And launch a node again. And let's check the journal. Okay, right now my node is starting and he is looking for peers and try to catch up the block. We need to wait a little bit because because this node is doing two things. First of all, they start creating the new address book in your config. You can see it here. Right now is size 1 KB, but should be more. And after that they will start synchronization process. So you need to wait around 5-10 minutes, something like this. I added few more peers in my config toml. Let's try it again, maybe they will catch again. Finally they start synchronization process. So I just added around 5 peers from the Discord and they start catching the block head. So you can see it that the executed block head is 172, 173 and set rate. So right now we should wait until our node will be full synchronization, and after that we can create our private validator. So here is the two types how you can monitor your node. So actually I recommended the easiest way to see does your node is synced or not, just launch this command below. This is cur localhost, and so the catching up should be false. If they are false, this means that you are fully synced and you can proceed to create your own validator. Right now here is true and I am on the block head 745, so I should wait around 1 day to catch the latest block. Also you can use the Nodes Guru Explorer. Actually go to the overview and you can check how many blocks you have. For the moment that's it, so I should wait some time and after that I will show you how to create your own validator. Alright, I think that pass more than 1 day, so and I see that my logs looks okay, and I think that the node is fully synced. To recheck it, I will insert the one command, and we should get a false. Yes, so I see that false. This means that my node is fully synced, and right now I can proceed to create the new wallet, and after that to create the validator. So first of all, let's create a new wallet. So the command looks like this. And right now I need input my password for this wallet. Okay, what we have here? We have here address, the wallet name, I call them wallet, and the mnemonic. This mnemonic is the most important thing, so you should save them somewhere in the safe place and never show it. So this address is for test purpose, and I will operate with them. And on this address I will create the validator. Okay, let's save it somewhere. I already here prepared some commands to create the validator. Okay, the next, to create a validator, first of all, you should make sure that you will be in the active set. So to do it, you can go to the Node.Guru Explorer in the OKP4 testnet, and here is active set and inactive set. In the inactive set is validators who have a bad uptime, and the validators who don't have enough tokens for the active set. If you will go to the active set and scroll down, you can see that the latest position, currently this is position 146, and here is the total amount of tokens, 623. This means that if you want to be in the active set, you should have more tokens than this validator. I will create my own validator. I will use around 10 tokens for it, and we will see, can I be in the active set or I will be in the inactive set. I think I will be in the active set, because here is for the active set and the OKP4 should be 150 validators. But first I should top up my wallet, because I have 0 amount, so I will transfer the tokens from my own validator to this test validator. So my own validator is crypto sellers, and here I can see that I already have around 5,000 tokens. I will send from them around 10 tokens to this new address. So right now I am on the my crypto sellers validator server, and here I input the transaction, how it should be look like. So here is the OKP4D TXBAN send from wallet, so I have the wallet name, to the new address on the new account. Just press enter, input the password, and approve it. So here is the TX hash. This TX hash we can scan through the Explorer, and I see here that here is the successful amount of token 10 no. Okay, let's go back to the test server. Let's do clear, and here in the Explorer we also can check the wallet, the new wallet. Just input it here, and we should see 10 KNO spendable. This means that this token is available. Okay, let's create a validator. Here is the command from the official manual from the OKP4. From here, but I did some changes here. So for example, I replaced the moniker by my moniker name, and I replace chain ID, so I put original chain ID at the moment is Nempton1. Okay, so let's copy and paste it. Okay, let's check the states hash in the scan. I see success, create validator. This is the name and this is the validator name. So right now it should appear somewhere. Yeah, I have the... Actually, this red uptime is because I have just run a node without the validator, and right now I am validating. So everything is visible in the Explorer right now. I have voting power 1. This means that I delegated one token. This I did it during the creating validator process. Okay, let's go to the validators here and let's check my moniker here. So it's Pavel. So yes, I'm in the active set currently. I have voting power 1. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe on the Crypto Sellers channel. Please join to us Telegram and Twitter. And goodbye.